Hi and welcome to Hot Chip Cake. Today we are making a dark chocolate ganache, which I use all the time for cake fillings or for my cupcakes. You can also use it as a sauce for your ice cream. It's really delicious, but it takes a day in advance. So make sure if you want to use it for a filling to let it properly set, make it the day before and you're all good to go. Here are the ingredients we need. 300 grams of dark chopped chocolate. Use whatever chocolate you like. I prefer a high quality because in the end you will taste the difference. 1.5 cups whipping cream, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon white corn syrup. So we heat up the whipping cream with the corn syrup and the pinch of salt. Just using my tablespoon, just a pinch, not a lot. I use gray sea salt. You can use any salt you like. And just 1 tablespoon of corn syrup or glucose if you have that, doesn't matter. And then just wait until it starts to simmer before it's really boiling and pour it over your chopped chocolate. It should be good in a second. Once you see tiny bubbles coming up on the surface, it's good to pour it over the chocolate. It shouldn't start boiling a lot, it's just the beginning of it. Just pour it over your chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. So I had to switch over to our pantry kitchen because I'm still using an immersion blender from Germany, and we do have our transformer here in our pantry. So this is what it looks like. It has this metal plate, and that's what I'm using to mix the ganache. You can see how it comes together. And now we're adding the vanilla bean paste. You can't go wrong with that. Even if you use a little bit too much, it doesn't matter. And then we're also adding our butter. Just mix again, let it all cool down. Store it in the fridge until you need it. And you're all good. It looks pretty liquid, but it will thicken overnight, and especially if you store it in the fridge. If you let it come to room temperature the next day, you can also whip it up to get a light and fluffy ganache filling, but I always use it like it is. Once the dark chocolate ganache is at room temperature, you can store it in the fridge until the next day, or when you use it, heat it up a bit and it gets more like a sauce you can use for your desserts or ice cream. If you use it straight from the fridge, it's a firm chocolate ganache and you can use it for a cupcake or cake fillings. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.